Hello everybody, this is how to do the front, I think they call it the control arm on a BMW E46, better known as the Wishbone. So a quick method to test to see if there's wear in the rear bearing is just to put a bar on the wheel nut, and as you rotate, if you rock that, you'll see there too much wear there. So remove this 21mm nut, you're right next to the oil filler, and this is the easiest way to do it when it's still on the ground. So you zap that nut off. I use that. You can just do it by hand, or you can use an impact wrench. And as I go to remove it, the nut falls into the pan. So nothing we can do there. So jack it up, get the wheel off, and you can see here with me removing that nut, it's already dropped down a little. So that's good. Then you use an 18mm spanner, and you remove, you loosen that ball joint there at the bottom. It was stuck fast within the ball joint carrier, so the nut came off, no problem at all. Now what you do there, here at the back, you loosen the first one, and I'd actually done this the wrong way, then I take out the next one. But what I end up doing is I put back in that one and take out the bottom one first, because it comes out a whole lot easier if you do it this way. So as I said to you, just take this bottom nut out first of all, then take out the top nut. Now these are 16mm, these ones here, so sorry about this, I've kind of prolonged the agony here. So do the bottom one first, then the top one. Then I tried to give this a knock, but oh, it was not for moving. So if you want to save the arm and renew just the bush, you need to do that way, but I just ended up using my, what do you call it, my breaker bar, what do you call these again? Ball joint removal tool. So it came out no problem, but you burst the boot, so you can't save it then. So I got another one out my parts guy, Delphi, there's a number there, TC1727, I think it was about £80. So it comes with a 22mm nut on that connection at the other, and then it's 19mm for the outer ball joint. So the nuts are all 1mm wider on the replacement. So you just offer it up and it actually goes in no problem at all. So I think I put, oh yes, this was a wee bit problem. So I put in the bottom one first, and I just put, that was a file just to line it up, and then you go and tighten it up. It kind of springs back on itself. So once you do that, you'll see here, once you tighten it and you keep the tension on it just to keep it kind of centered, that the thing springs into position. So you can see once it just goes, and it goes into the sleeves, there's little sleeves up there, so tighten the whole lot up. That's you good at that end. So this is a 19mm, and you can use an Allen key there to stop the nut, the ball joint from rotating. So when you tighten that up, the other way of doing it is just to put a jacker under it. So the easiest way to get back to this nut is to remove that, well, not remove the hose, but just take out its bracket. You can see the nut down there, this is now 22mm, and just put a big long extension on that, and you can tighten that up once you put a bit of pressure using an axle stand. So straightforward job, hope that helps you. Cheers.